Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. 1st of May, Friday, May 1st, end of the week, end of a great week. We're going to come back to Monday and do it all over again. But before that happens, I'm going to tell you what we did today. Now, normally when we have these double arrows here on the chart that you see, it's because it's basically the same setup that didn't work and we hit it again. In this case, not that it didn't work, we just either had a break even or made a little bit of money. In this case, we actually hit it twice, both times here, both on the upside and the downside, and it made good money both times. We were really looking for, when we got long, this thing to go up here. Once the market kind of chopped around here and got over here, it was very close to 10 o'clock, which we kind of stay away from. Basically we had a little bit at the open here, a down move, which we, stay away from the open a lot. And then here at 10 o'clock when we have news and things like that, other than that, we were basically stuck in this garbage right here all day. And we made a lot of money in this garbage until the end of the day when we hit our monster trade. But even here, you can see these two up arrows here. We got long about to 1275 here. We hit this thing. It went up in the NASDAQ, and that sucker made from 1275. It made over 25 plus ticks. Hit it again for 25 plus ticks. Again, move your stop up. If you had a runner, you would have been at break even with your runner, but you still made 8 to 10 and then up to 20, 25 ticks 2 times. Then here we got short on an RS trade. I called it on the 1024 candle around 32. That made up to 80 ticks down here. And then when it came back up, I said if it holds the same area where we got in over here, we would hit it again, which we did. After the 1027 candle, I said very simply, as soon as that candle closes, get short. Closed at 3150. We hit it short, 3150. It went all the way down. And this time it made, almost 100 ticks the second time. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Then we came up where the market went up again. Then it came back down. We had what was called an attempted ZL, a ZL look. We tried it. I told everybody I wanted to get in down here lower a couple candles before we got in up here. Wanted to get in a couple candles before, but it was a big wick there. We were looking for more of a solid candle to get in lower. So we hit the trade at 13. I told everybody we have room because it's going to try to get up above 1950.20, which is exactly what it did. But that gave us, 20, 25 ticks of room. I said if it goes up there and closes above here, we're probably looking at, 20, 30, 40 points higher. If not, we're going to look for shorts. And that's what happened. Again, trade made up to 20, 25 ticks, didn't follow through, move your stop up, boom, that's it. And then the market reversed down. At that point, I said, we're done with the NASDAQ. We're going to look at the ES. We got short in the ES for a monster trade. I told everybody here that we were going to get in this trade, and my exact words were, we're going to get into this trade 38 quarter. Okay, on the 1127 candle. I said, after this trade triggers, we're going to watch and see what happens in the first 2 candles after that trade triggers. I said, if they stay below, okay, if they break down from the 38 quarter, okay, and they stay below 38, okay, for any significant amount of time, a candle or 2, it's probably going all the way down much lower, and we are going to hold until the end of the morning if we can. That's exactly what happened. 38 quarter, okay, went down, tried to come up here. I told everybody in the room that this candle here was super important. It could not really be a solid green candle. It had to fail. Once it failed, it made a new low. We held it. I said, we're going to see what we can do. And when that started happening here, even before we closed the room, I told everybody 2220 area was a good exit right there, anywhere between 22 and 20. And you had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in there. I said if it went lower, that's fine. But if you look here, it basically chopped around here for an hour and a half. And then it finally did go a little bit lower, and now it's back to pretty much where we were in. So you wouldn't have made that much more by holding it that much longer through lunch and stuff like that. So just a great way to end the week. This trade yielded over 20 up to 20 points. We're going to come back on Monday. We're going to do it all over again. Check us out at www.futurestradingcoach.com. Have a great weekend. Stay safe with the coronavirus, COVID-19. Have a relaxing weekend, and we're going to be back at it on Monday. Check out our trial.